Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Without wasting time, today I'm going to show you how to assemble a cylinder honing tool. In this short video, I will show you how to assemble a cylinder honing tool. So without wasting time, let's get back to the video. So today we have this cylinder honing tool. It comes from the company called Sun Engineering. This comes from India. This is a This is a 50 millimeter up to 75 millimeter cylinder honing tool. I bought it from India. It costs about $150. So let's open and see what inside. So what we got here? We got stones. These are 4 honing stones. We have the tool itself. We got the shaft. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the the tool itself. This is a tool. This is how it looks like. These are the stones, and these are the two springs which are going to hold these stone holders. So let's start. Let me show you how to install these cylinder honing stones. So take one of the stones, take one of the stones here and slide slowly into the tool, into the stone holder. Sometimes they are easy to go in, but sometimes you have to use some force. Okay, first one is ready. Let's take the second one. We have the last one now. So that's it. Now take the screwdriver and tight the screws, because if you don't tight the screws, the stone will snap away. Okay, they are ready now. Let us assemble it. Now see, there are numbers here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to go number wise. So this one is number 1. Okay, let's find number 1. Number 1, this one is number 1. Okay, now the following is number 2. Number 2, let's find number 2. This one is number 2. Now we go to number 3. The last one is number 4. Okay, this is an adjuster. Make sure they sit in the center. These are the springs. They are going to hold the stones in its place. So that's it. Now let me show you how it is used. Once I've already assembled it, you can start using. You can just put it inside the block and tight. This it. We have this shaft. If you have a drill at home, you can attach this shaft. You can attach this shaft to the tool like this and use a drill to hone your cylinder. So guys, if you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment to my channel. Thank you.